Hi guys! I feel like I'm in some kind of Vogue video showing you my tips and tricks on how to do my makeup in 10 minutes. Woo! So that's what we're gonna do today, my 10-minute makeup routine, which is around what it's gonna take me usually because I kind of rush through it. Now it's gonna take me a bit longer because I'm gonna be explaining everything that I'm doing. But yeah, so we're gonna start. My skincare is done. I put my hair into a claw clip. We're in my bathroom, everything. So we're gonna start off with all of my makeup that is in here, and it's really, really easy, super quick. There's not that many products. A lot of it is drugstore. And you guys, if you follow this routine, you're gonna look absolutely flawless, but also natural at the same time. So it's a must. The product that I've been raving about lately that I use on a daily basis is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This thing, I talked about it before. It is almost an exact dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, liquid luminizer, and it just works absolutely amazing. So I just put it everywhere on my face. I usually take my beauty blender because it does take way less time to apply on my skin. So those are all tricks to do your makeup as quickly as possible. Do you guys use a brush or do you use usually a beauty blender? Tell me down below because I want to know what's the tea with that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Look, I could go out like this if I wanted. That's just one product and your skin looks absolutely much better. But the trick to like even out everything and make it look really flawless is to take the NARS. This is the Chantilly Soft Matte Concealer. This thing, you guys, you have to use this. Like a pot cream concealer will last you so much longer on your skin. It's gonna be so good. So what I do, I just go especially under my eyes because lately, I don't know what's going on, but I have a lot of dark circles. I guess I'm not sleeping as much. And I just applied pretty much, everywhere. I'm not trying to do too much. Like, I'm not gonna spend 2 hours doing my makeup. I just don't have that kind of time like before. So, everywhere like that. It's easier to apply with, a brush like that. And then I go back with my beauty blender and I just blend everything out. And I leave a little bit under my eyes just because I want more coverage. So I just leave it like this. Here, I don't want too much coverage because it looks kind of unnatural. So I go and I blend it. Some people prefer brush for that. I like the beauty blender because let's say you have like some residue somewhere of the concealer and it kind of piles up. Well, the beauty blender is going to take off the excess, so it looks absolutely stunning. I had to look a bit closer because I can't see anything. So as you can see, look, my skin looks really, really good. And sometimes I go back, especially on my under eyes, because I look tired. I barely slept, you guys, last night. That's how it is. So anyways, I'm gonna leave it like this in the corner just so it can settle while I do the rest. Next product is another e.l.f. product that I've talked about before in my skincare video. So if you didn't see my skincare video yet, which is my updated skincare routine, pretty much it's gonna be linked in the corner somewhere. You're gonna see it's pretty nice. But anyways, the bronzing drops from e.l.f. I cannot tell you enough how good they are. And I just take like 1, 2, oh, that was a lot. I thought I was gonna see 2 drops, but I have much more. So I take the back of my beauty blender, I take some and I just go straight in with it. So this is pretty much almost like an all beauty blender face. And that's why I like the beauty blender so much right now. It's because it makes things so easy. And then I go here, put my bronzer. I put back, okay. And hopefully I don't look crazy because the lighting is not that great. I didn't turn on the lights because I looked kind of crazy from up close like that in the bathroom. I bring it down because I do put a lot of sunscreen here. So here I have like a lot of tan and then my neck is like white and my face is like white. So it kind of evens everything out. Like you see now it's like fitting with my neckline. And then I blend the rest of my concealer. After that, hopefully it looks good because my glasses are not on and I'm not really checking in between. It's just to show you how quickly I do it. I take the Merit Beauty Blush, which this is not drugstore obviously, but I'm pretty sure the e.l.f. blushes are really good. It's just, you know, I have these. I'm not gonna go and buy more stuff if I don't have to. I put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. And then I look where I have like bronzer, and then I go where there's not any bronzer and I go on the side, and then I put my blush in here. Very cute, very nice. And I'm sorry if I get off frame. I'm trying to look at myself in the mirror. Look, so far so good. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. So next thing I do, I'm feeling like a bit more brown today, so I'm gonna use that one. It's like a little brown shade for the eye, and I use this usually to just put it in my crease, just so I don't look, I guess, crazy. And this is more like a bronzing kind of shade. It looks really, really nice. I love cream shades just because it blends really easily and it lasts really long, so it doesn't move at all day. Yeah, so my base is pretty much done. What I do after that is I set everything before doing the rest. So I go with this Fluorescence powder. I feel like it's a really, really nice powder. I've been liking it so far. So this, I put it around just to matte everything up. You guys, is it matte or matte? Because I've been saying matte for the beginning of my channel, and I don't even know if it's correct. Is it matte or matte? I don't know. I feel like it's so much better when I say, it's matte. No, it's probably matte, but anyways, I'm sorry, excuse my French. And I put a little bit more than I would usually just because I know that it's really hot. So it doesn't take that long to become kind of oily again. And then it looks really nice. It looks like skin-like. So even if it's matte right now, it's gonna look really nice very, very soon. So anyways, this. And then the longest part usually of my makeup are my brows, because I just take much more time for that. Take this palette is so nice. Sometimes I do use powders. It's just when I do on a day-to-day basis makeup, I don't put powders, and the reason why is because I feel like it becomes too much. I just want, you know, products so it's easy. I don't have to put too much on my face. Anyways, that's how it is. And this is just random. I don't know why I'm using this. It's just because I didn't have any more of my other, you know, brow pencil. This is like a She Glam brow pencil, which it works, but I don't like it that much. But since I have it, I'm using it. I don't want to throw it out, like throwing things out, so I just make it work. Okay, we made it. It's not the most perfect brows, but I mean, it works. It works. Okay, we're gonna leave it like this. It's just, that's how it's gonna be. For the next thing that I do usually is I go with my lip liner. My mascara is like the last step of my makeup routine. So this is the lip pencil in Stone, and it's funny because usually I wouldn't go for a shade like that. It wasn't my type of shade, but recently I've been loving it. I feel like I like the vibe of like cooler tones on my lips, and get it like that, and very lightly pull it around. And then I kind of blend the edges. It's like a contour for my lips. And obviously when you're using that shade, I tried it with, you know, having balm, lip balm on and without. Definitely works better when you're using no lip balm. Your lips are completely dry. If not, it's gonna look really, really intense. It depends like if you like it or not. Some days I'm like, I want it intense, and some days I don't. And today I don't. So that's gonna be the look for today. And then my little trusty Forget the Filler from Lawless lip gloss. This is in the shade Nudie. And I've been liking this shade just because it looks a bit lighter than my lips, so it lightens everything up. Anyways, I really, really like it. Like that. And then for the final result, we're gonna have a drugstore mascara. So this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I kind of like it. I mean, it was like $11 compared to like 26. My all-time fave though is still Merit, but you know, sometimes we got to make choices, and this is the choice that I make. And it looks pretty good. It's a fave OG of a lot of makeup artists. I actually bought this when, well, not this one, another one, but I bought this mascara when I was going to do makeup for someone. I bought this for them and they're like, oh my god, I used to love this mascara. And she kind of like forgot about it because there's so many products on the market. It's like, what's all the choices you have to take? This was my mom's fave as well. Like growing up, she was using this mascara, and I can understand why, because it's a really, really pretty mascara for a very good price. Very, very good price. So applying it, and there you go. So this is the makeup look that usually takes me 10 minutes, but as I'm talking, as I'm like saying stuff and I'm not being super 100% concentrated on my makeup, like I've been recording for like 22 minutes now, but usually yesterday I did it and it took me 10 minutes. So if I really want it to be 10 minutes, it can be 10 minutes, just if I want to. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's like a very subtle, nice makeup, good for every day. When I feel like it, like I said, I change my, you know, eyeshadow cream. I change my lip liner for something like more like Whirl if I want some pinky. But I feel like Stone was a very good color to fit with my outfit of today, which is my activewear from Burlook that I've had for a while now. I did a video on it as well. It's just, it's really nice. Look, I'll show you. I'll show you. This is the OOTD of the day. OOTD. Okay, so this is it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this little makeup video. Okay, love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe and to like the video for some engagement. Comment down below what you think. How long does it take? Do you do your makeup daily? Do you not do your makeup daily? I would love to know. So thank you so much guys for watching again, and I love you guys so much. We'll talk soon. Bye.